welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to crimp my hair. So I'll show you how do I crimp my hairs. So first of all, I'm going to spray my hair with this L'Oreal Studio Line hot and straightening liquid serum or whatever thing this is, so that my hair will not get damaged. That's done. I'm going to just give it a I haven't done crimping before. I'm very bad in hair things, so it's done. And now I'm going to part my hair. And now I'm going to start crimping my hair. So I'm using here Iconic Professional crimping machine, which I got from Janak Rajori Garden. I don't know how does it gonna look like, but I'm just gonna give it a try. It's not looking good, but never mind. I will do it.
I don't think you know how to do it.
No, it's the proper way.
Can I do a little?
No.
Please,
No.
then I will go to study.
No. For me, it's good because I mostly made bun, so my hair will look more fluffier now. So bun will look good. So my son is helping me.
I should go to study,
But he doesn't want to study ever.
Tell me the name of a kid who wants to study.
There are so many.
Just name one.
Spanish.
Lol.
Lol. What lol in this?
Cut this part, please. For how much time does this last?
Until I wash my hair, I guess. I told you na, it's my first
You
time.
have to use the gel also for this.
No.
To keep the
Keep this
crimping in place.
not gel. We can try mousse, I guess, because I'm not at all into
Should I
hair.
bring the mousse?
No, not now, because I'm not gonna keep it for a while.
You are not in the hair like in the way like you can say cutting or hair styling, but
Yes.
you can do these things.
Yeah, I can do that's the thing, na. That's why I wanted to try it, so that I can do different
I
things with my hair.
sense that I hope
You should burn my hair.
Yes, I am gonna burn your hair. I think.
Once I was on a shoot and there was one hairstylist. She just burned my hair and I was crying yeah. No, this part is nice, but this is not good
Why?
because you have done
This is better.
this. No.
There are more crimps. Who done it?
See?
Nice. Pretty nice. today.
Yeah, and fluffier than ever. And yeah, I'm wearing this lipstick from Nykaa. Nykaa. It's, what's its name? Guwahati. Its name is Guwahati. I'm wearing Guwahati shade.
Guwahati, not Guwahati.
Guwahati. And one shade I got more. I have 3 shades of this Nykaa matte lipstick. One is Khoobsurat, and that was like one of my favorite lipstick now. Don't burn your hand. And one is Khoobsurat. That is in pink shade. And this one is Guwahati. But it's fun, Suhan, doing videos together. I got this crimping machine for like rupees 4,500 from Rajouri, Janak. No, they haven't sponsored me, but still, you know.
What do I know? I don't know.
I can tell my viewers that from where I can get this part.
Do you like these crimps?
Till now, I'm liking it, but I don't know what happened when I will see my full face covered with this crimps. Yes. Thanks for correcting me. No, my hair, it's not straightening, it's crimping, baby. Crimping is like
I know.
crushed hair.
You want me to crush your hair?
Do it from here now.
Please?
My hairs are looking so damn rough.
You are a rough boy.
See? I need to wash my hair.
I guess you people make a lot of TikToks with these hair.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, I know.
Of course you do know me.
That's it?
No. Do it from here.
It's already done from here.
For bounce. Do it like this.
Why do you need a bouncy?
Because it gives you a longer looking face.
More bouncy?
No. I will tell you. And this paddle brush I bought from Jana's Beauty. It's for like 450 rupees. Wait. You have to go to that. Now do it like this.
Who done it?
Hold.
Bounce?
Yes. Don't burn your hands. Where is that glove?
Oh yes. Where is it?
I don't know. No, leave that.
No.
Suhan, no, because I don't have much time, baby. I have a lot of work to do.
You want my fingers to burn?
It's fine, baby.
Will they die? Fingers die? Wait. No, okay, I'm coming. What are you doing? Trying to steal this thing from me?
Yes, because you never give me chance to do anything.
Yes, because I don't want you to do anything.
Anything you buy me to say.
I just want to test these new gadgets.
I know you. You love this. Testing new gadgets and all.
Especially phones and bicycles. Done. No.
Wait.
There are a lot of things that are not done yet.
Then should I give you a new section or no?
I'm doing it. Divide this in half. Because from the bottom, it's not like that high distribution. Divide it in half. Give me half. Some little ping pong balls.
I have to go to your school
Oh no, not like this.
and I'm crimping my hair and they will say,
We'll go at around like 150.
Okay, after school.
Yes. I don't want to go to school.
Yes, guys, he skipped his school today.
Because we are shifting and I don't want to start the month because that's the worst. Because I am studying in the worst school.
Every school is worse for kids.
No,
you know?
I
Yes.
love school, but my school is the worst. It's very lot of fun. This can also straight your hair, you know. We don't know. Okay, it's so
Funny.
fluffy and messy and bad and nice. After this, I will curl your hair. Only one.
No.
Yes.
No.
I have never done it.
Never mind. We will do it.
Where is your that statue type of mannequin?
Mannequin?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't remember actually. In some bag or somewhere. I don't know. Hurry up! What have you done? See?
This is
Keep it down, you know, like this.
do it.
If you don't want to do, just tell me. Now, keep your hand like this.
It was so messy.
I don't know, guys, how will I look after crimping my hair.
You will look extremely bad.
Extremely witchy.
Wait, you can do like this.
First crimp my hair, then
Then last.
I guess so.
Wait,
What have you done, Suhan?
it's not my
Give me that crimping machine. I don't know, guys, how to do this properly, so I'm just trying to, you know, do things so that it comes.
Let me give your hair some volume.
No, I don't want volume.
Okay, then let me freeze your hairstyle. Let me tell you what to do with this now.
Suhan,
Make your hair like This and do you have a pin?
I will do it later, Suhan. Now you help me in crimping. Thank you. But just wait now.
This is the glue that blasting freeze spray. Should I not use it?
No,
Why?
because I don't want glue in my hair.
This is not glue. This is.
I know that, but I don't want.
You want this
crimping.
because this is like really looking nice on you. If you agree or not, but this is the best hairstyle I have ever seen you in. But I mean after 4 years or 2 years. From the day that you did your boy cut, this is my
That
favorite
was
style.
pixie cut.
Wait, I have an idea. You want to get this down, right? So
Not like this.
I know. Set it to the position where you like it. Yes. See? Wait. Turn it on.
No. Just
Mom, it will go up again. Wait. Show it to me.
He's very bossy, I tell you.
You tell them.
So guys,
This is the final look now.
is it? Fine.
Wait.
And switch it off. First switch it off. Let me put my earrings. Yeah, not bad. Actually. हाँ मैं ना अब थप्पड़ मार दूंगी.
Put this on the video. This is what happens to me every day. Don't do like this.
So yeah guys, this is the final looks. Final hair look like. So
Let me upload a picture of this right now. You have to do it. I will click it.
So guys, this is the final look of crimping. I have done it for like first time. So my son helped me in.
Spider-Man looking here. Wait a second, you can do one thing.
Yeah, I can read it. Yeah.
And from
Yes.
the sides, the crimping will look good.
Yes. See, my son is so creative.
More than the other.
So yeah guys, this is the final
Oh
look.
my
So
god.
guys, this is my final look, and my son helped me. My son helped me in creating this new hairstyle or look or whatever.
You go down.
Then you talk.
I don't want to.
So guys, thank you for
Thank
watching
you.
my video,
Thank you.
and if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And if you want that I do more videos with my son, then
Come on,
comment
who doesn't want that?
comment down below in the comment section. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video. I love you all. Need your love and support. Bye bye.